Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing a primary keyword and 2 to 3 long-tail variants that match user intent. This directs every decision you make next. Use quick keyword checks to confirm search volume and difficulty, then map intent. Are people researching or buying? Once done, create a working title that includes the primary keyword naturally and outline 3-5 headings that answer intent. Make sure to note target phrases for each section so you can optimize content flow and time spent writing efficiently. You now draft the article with clear headings and user-focused answers. Aim for depth, often 1,000 words or more, where it helps. Incorporate the primary keyword in the H1 and H2s where natural, then sprinkle long-tail variants and synonyms to capture related searches. Once a section is written, insert internal links to relevant pages and 1 or 2 authoritative external references. Make sure to add lists, numbered steps, and schema hints so search engines and readers quickly parse the value you deliver. You finish by optimizing meta title, description, and URL for clicks. Include the primary keyword near the start of the title, but keep it natural. Once published, run a quick SEO audit for page speed, mobile layout, and readability. Fix any thin sections and add FAQs if search snippets demand them. If performance lags, check CTR and rankings, then update headlines, content depth, or internal links. Troubleshooting tip: if traffic drops, re-audit search intent. Often intent has shifted and content needs reframing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.